Guys, my name is Bharat Jhunjhunwala and I am editor of Traders Classroom at wavemetric.com. Well, today we're gonna discuss how important is the right look for a wave to mark as an impulse wave. Let's begin. So, I was talking about the right look. The first question is, does the look of the pattern matters? I mean to say that when you're looking at the pattern, does the look of the pattern matters to you, or just counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes it an impulse wave look like an impulse wave? Even if the count adheres to the rules and regulations of rules and guidelines of the Elliott wave principle, yet the pattern should be in the right look. So today we'll discuss a strategy, or basically a way in how we can mark the count correctly on the pattern looking in the right way. So this is the clock strategy or the watch strategy, what I call. Now you can see I've drawn a watch or clock here and I have marked 12, 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we start a wave from the midpoint or the center of the clock, and if the wave lies between 12 and 130, then we can presume the wave is an impulse wave. It means if the slope of the wave lies between 12 to 130, we can easily presume that it is an impulsive wave on the upside. On the other hand, if the slope lies between 130 to 430, then it is not an impulse wave, it is something else, maybe a corrective price action, double threes, triple three, anything, but it's not an impulse wave. Next, from 430 to 6, the slope if lies between 430 to 6, then we can mark that as an impulsive down wave. It's that simple. I know it's crazy, but it is simple and it is very effective. Let's look at this. So this is an impulsive wave, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 on the upside. Same will be on the downside, just flip the waves. Now you can see that the rules are very much adhered. Wave 2 does not go beyond wave 1, wave 4 does not come in the territory of wave 1, and wave 3 is not the shortest amongst the 5 waves, among the 3 impulse waves. Now on the right side, you see another wave that I have marked that also adheres to the rules and guidelines of the Elliott wave principle. The wave 2 does not go beyond wave 1, wave 3 is not the shortest wave, and wave 4 does not reach or does not overlap the territory of wave 1. But still, you can see the slope. It lies between 130 to 430. So we can presume it's not an impulse wave. It is an corrective wave or something else. Anything it can be, but not an impulse wave for sure. On the left side, you can see how the waves are almost perpendicular, and if you overlay this on a watch that we have been talking about, you will see that it is between 12 to 130, almost perpendicular wave, and so it can be labeled as an impulse wave. So this is what I was talking about. The look of the pattern should matter, or it should be considered. Just not the pattern itself, but the look. It's more important, right? So even if this pattern on the right side follows every rules and every guideline of Elliott wave, it cannot be marked as an impulse wave. So here Let's see a chart. We see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and you can see the slope is perpendicular almost, and if you overlay this on the watch, you will see it is in between the 12 and the 1:30 p.m. section. So it is an impulsive wave, no doubt about it. Similarly, if we count this one, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, we will see that it also lies between 4:30 to 6. The slope is almost perpendicular. So it can be marked as the impulse wave because it has the right look. That is more important. Now on this chart you will see that though the chart have all the characteristics of an Elliott wave, of an Elliott impulse wave, that is wave 1, wave 2 does not retraces 100% of wave 1, wave 3 is not the shortest wave 4 does not overlap the territory of wave 1, and so, but still you can see the slope of the wave. Does this give the right look to the chart? Does it have the right look to be counted as an impulse? No, it does not have the right look to be counted as an impulse. So it cannot be an impulsive wave, it can be something else, corrective, anything, but it cannot be considered as an impulse wave. So you can see how the right look matters when we are considering or when we are trying to mark a wave as an impulsive wave or an corrective wave. Just adhering to the principles and rules does not matter. The right look should be there. So that's all guys for today. So if you want more insight on Elliott wave, visit our website, that's www.wavemetric.com, or follow me on Twitter. My handle is @BharatJ82. My Facebook page is Wavemetric. My LinkedIn is Bharat Junjunwala. My Skype is Bharat Junjunwala. And email us your suggestions at getus@wavemetric.com. Thank you and have a good day.